Hello, we're doing a DIY easy dessert wine glass tray. What you see before you is a wine glass, a glass cutting board, some ribbon, and as you can see, I put some fruit on top, and in between the fruit and the cutting board is just a piece of wax paper I cut out to place my food on. So for this project, as you can see, you will need one wine glass, ribbon, and that's optional, a glass cutting board, and if you would like to use wax paper, that's fine, and whatever dessert that you're serving. I am having a girls' night coming up, so I wanted something different to put on my table, and here it is. These are gorgeous. You can use this for your girls' night out, your wedding table, your sweets table. So the one I'm going to show you, I am doing a square tray, and that's going to be in the middle of my two wine glasses. So for this one, I'm using a margarita glass and a square cutting board. Let's begin. So to glue our square cutting board to our margarita glass, I'm using E6000. And for those of you who have never used E6000, please read the warning label and make sure you use a well-vented area. I currently have my door open, so if you hear the crickets and the cicadas, that's why. And I'm just applying a thin layer of hot glue. The hot glue does make it so that you can work on your project while it's gluing. The ones that you do see in the background, I did leave those to dry for about 24 hours. And you just want to center this properly and place that on there. Press down on it a little bit. And for the ones in the background, I did place a little, what was it? A canned fruit I think I used just to kind of hold it in place for a little bit. All right, and so also on the margarita glass, you can see like there is a like a stem on it. You can see it. So when you're doing your project, you want to make sure that you position that kind of where you want it to be. And there are two on both sides. And I did get these margarita glasses from the dollar store, as well as the square cutting board from the dollar store. The E6000 I already purchased. I had that previously, I believe, from Walmart. And like I said, please use a well-ventilated area. I am using a hot glue gun, which I previously purchased as well. And I decided to do something a little different to this one. I'm going to add some bling wrap around to the edges. So this is how it will look when it's all glued on. And I will start that process. So I have a piece of tape here, and I just like to, when I'm doing the bling wrap on a glass product, just to kind of hold it in place, I like to start on the edge. So that's where your seam will be. And then I'll start applying some glue, hot glue lightly to around the corners. And then, as I said, my seam will be on the end of the product. So as you can see, my square wine glass dessert stand is completed. All I did was turn your margarita glass upside down, place your square cutting glass on top. I took some hot glue, as you can see, and I started and trimmed it around. I used the diamond wrap from the dollar store, and there are 5 rows going down of diamond wrap. I started off by placing a simple piece of tape in the corner and securing that. I held that for a couple minutes. I kept going. You want to make sure you keep moving fast as you glue around. So now I have my wax paper already cut. I'm just going to put this on top here. And all I have is 3 strawberries left, so you can get the full effect. I did wash my hands before touching my fruit. And there you go. Quick and easy. You can use this for birthday party, anniversary party, girls' night out, guests are coming over. And what's great about this also, you can also change out your ribbon. This is ribbon and does have wire in it. I previously purchased this from AC Moore. It's floral ribbon. And it, like I said, it does have wire in it. I had used this for another project. And I believe this says it is 100% nylon. So what I did with the ribbon was, I took a little wire and wrapped the ribbon around the stem of the glass. So even at Christmas time, say you wanted to do a red bow, gold bow, and you could switch out your ribbons. Or say you're having a baby shower, it's a girl, you could do pink or yellow or a nice pretty cotton candy. Or if it's a boy, you could still switch it for blue, purple. Very nice, very versatile set. I think the bling and the square adds a little detail to your set. And this cost me, what, $2 each? And the ribbon I already had. So if you have not liked and subscribed to Sassy Crafty Mama, please do so. I'd like you to become part of our family. And thank you all for watching.